It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, October the 18th. I'm Michael Groff. Our warming trend continues into the weekend. We could see high temperatures approaching 90 degrees here by Saturday, but then the rain chances come back in late Saturday through Monday. And then it does appear that we will enter a prolonged period of dry weather. Kind of a more typical late October weather regime comes in here. So let's talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 77 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 60. And outside right now here at 5 a.m., clear skies in the valley. We begin this day at 64 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 46, humidity 52%, light winds, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, kind of a mixed bag thanks to some breezes overnight. 50 degrees, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. It's in the low 50s at Thompson Peak. Meanwhile, mid-60s in some of the warmer spots. The water vapor satellite view shows the upper low that brought all the unsettled weather and breezy conditions to the area over the last several days. It's now lifting to the north across Utah this morning. The watch warning map, we still have flash flood watches, a few flash flood warnings in parts of Texas, and freeze warnings for Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, and much of the Northeast United States, where winter is very slowly creeping in. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And rainfall, this is valid through next Thursday morning, maybe about 1/10 of an inch for us here in the valley. Heavier totals in excess of 1/2 inch across northern Arizona. And we'll get into the details of that and everything else with our weather as we explore the models right now. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Our upper low continues to lift off to the north today, and high pressure across the Pacific Northwest. So down at the surface, mostly sunny skies, warmer conditions. Highs this afternoon in the lower 80s. Tonight, clear, lows, mid-50s in the cool spots, low to mid-60s in the urban core. And tomorrow, sunny and even warmer. Highs in the mid to upper 80s. As we get to the weekend, much of the day Saturday looks okay, partly cloudy skies, but we do see an upper low closing off the central and southern California coast. This one won't be nearly as potent as previous systems, and it'll be a little bit further to the west. Still a decent amount of moisture comes in here, so by Saturday night, we'll have a chance of showers and thunderstorms. They'll be relatively widely scattered, though, so not everybody's going to get wet, and I think most of the rainfall amounts will be on the light side. Still, highs on Saturday should be warm, upper 80s to near 90. Sunday will cool it off a bit, highs in the low 80s, and a continued chance of showers and storms, but again, most of the rain is light. Monday, a slight chance of showers and storms, partly sunny skies, highs in the low 80s. By Tuesday, we dry out as that system lifts off to the north. Mostly sunny skies return, highs low 80s, and then low to mid 80s on Wednesday as high pressure begins to build in from the west. And here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 25th, a 588 ridge off the California coast, a dry northwest flow in here. And that looks like temperatures relatively close to average, somewhere in the mid 80s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 27th, a pretty high amplitude pattern, 591 ridge off the west coast, a deep trough over the central and eastern part of the country. And we're still dry with temperatures around or maybe slightly above average. Let's check the temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And yeah, it's got us spiking up to 91 on Saturday. Not sure about that, but certainly we could be close. And then gradually we'll cool it off and temperatures should be right around climatological normals to wrap up the month of October and head into November. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic Thursday.